Direct in from the last owner. It's a part exchange to clear. A very, very clean 2-owner example. Jaguar X-Type 2-litre diesel S, silver metallic. Very, very clean car. Lots of service history to it. It's had quite a lot of work done over the years. All the sills are absolutely solid. They've been replaced. So it's not an old rot box. It is a nice example. Drives absolutely beautiful. Just 2 owners as I mentioned. 2008 on a 58 plate. Let's take you around it. Got rear parking sensors, which I will tell you they are a little bit temperamental. So although they're there, they're a little bit temperamental. Good sized boot, lovely and clean, not been abused. You've also got split folding seats as well to drop down. Comes with a spare wheel. Very clean on the bodywork all the way around. All the wheels are curbed on the edges, not horrendously. Good tyres all the way around. The bodywork is absolutely beautiful. No dents, scratches, scrapes down the sides. So very, very clean and tidy example. Close up with the front wheel. Again, as you can see, curbing on the edges. Good tyre all across the front. It is absolutely amazing. It's a 2008 car as I mentioned, but there's no major damage or lots of stone chips. Little mark there just on the corner, but nothing drastic. Again, all across the bonnet. Lovely and clean. Near side front wheel and tyre. Again, all down the bodywork on this side. No dents, scratches, scrapes or dings anywhere. Very clean on the bodywork. And the final wheel and tyre. New tyre fitted there. And again the wheel. It's got this part leather black upholstery. All the trims in good condition. Non-smoker's car. No nasty smells. Again, all the upholstery is in lovely condition. Very spacious car. Great saloon. 2-litre diesel, 130 brake horsepower. All the windscreen's lovely and clean. Electric windows, electric mirrors, folding mirrors. Again, the driver's door trim, good condition. Driver's seat, as you can see, no undue wear. Centre armrest. Mileage of 93,785. That's what it's done. 93,785. The last owner bought it 12 years ago, so they've actually loved the car. And they had a Jaguar before that which I sold them, which they had for a number of years, so they do like Jaguars. Heated front seats, dual zone climate control, stereo CD.
Notification at regular intervals to remind you how long you've been playing. Paddy Power Games. Isn't possibly on the word.
Manual 5-speed gearbox. Leather multifunctional steering wheel. Got various controls for stereo, volume, changing the stations. No warning lights on the dashboard, running absolutely perfectly. Great value for money family saloon. Just purring away as you can hear. Great value for money, as I say, part exchange to clear. Combined miles per gallon 50.4 according to Jaguar. Any further information, please give us a call on 01782 822 700. We have 2 sets of keys, complete book pack, and is ready to drive away today. Our phone number again is 01782 822 700. Open Monday to Saturday. Specialist cars, Stoke on Trent, a multi-ordering dealer.